Hey folks, Ian Newton, the vehicle technology guy. Today I want to talk to you about replacing a key battery in a key fob. Today I have a key for a Ford Edge. You can see it's got the 3 buttons here. If you look along the key, a lot of times on these keys you'll see a slot. Let me get that out of the way. Like right on the edge of the key here. If you take your screwdriver along that slot, put it in there, and just twist, this basically opens up. And there's your key. Taking your screwdriver, you can just pop this battery out, just like that. Now as you can see, this battery has a number on the back of it. In this case, it's a CR2032. It's got 3-volt. You want to make sure you get the right battery. But you just slide this back in here. Put it in there, make sure it's all the way in there. Just take your cover, put it back on, just snaps down, and you have replaced your Ford Edge key battery. So, other than that, I hope this video has been informative. If you hadn't already, click that subscribe button, hit the like button. More videos to come, and make it a good day. Thank you.